What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to have a little bit of a road trip adventure. I'm going to be heading to my brother's house. He invited me to come down. It's a little over 2 hours to get down there, so I've got the fluids checked in my car, loaded up some tools. I'm going to help him out a little bit with this pickup. Got some work that needs to be done to it, and just hang out with my bro today. So we're going to hit the road here in just a few minutes. You guys come along with me, enjoy the ride, and we'll check out my brother's new to him pickup truck. Let's hit the road. Tired this morning. Maybe I ought to put on some tunes, wake myself up.
Yo te miro, se me corta la respiración.
No!
You can tell by the way I use my walk, I'm a woman's man. You make me feel like a natural woman.
I just wanna rollie with a dapper ranch.
Jump around. So I made her the queen of my double wide trailer with the polyester. Can you take me higher? I would need, I would die. I'm blue, I would need, I would die. I would need.
Didn't think that one quite through. Wow, it's amazing how much time flies when you're having fun. I've got about another 30 minutes and I'll be at my brother's house. What's up, bro?
Just woke up.
You're kidding.
No. I've been up since 4.
Since 4?
Yep. 3:30, 4 o'clock.
Gotcha.
There's the Badonka Tonka.
Looks like the USS Jolly Roger.
Yeah. Every time I get in, I was like, everybody buckle in, ready to go? The battleship is ready to set sail.
So what, 15 passenger?
Yep. That there's an RV, Clark. Don't you go like it in there. It's gonna be here in the next 6 months, whatever he said. Yeah, that there's an RV, Clark.
I like your shoes.
Oh, thanks.
Welcome.
There's our guard dog. That's Sandy Patty.
Sandy. 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 Sit. Roll over. Play dead. Bark. I think she likes me.
You or just do a couple, maybe pull it out of the garage or whatever, show you some maneuvers on the truck because this thing is howling. It's the ball joint on the passenger side. So I mean, there's just
Represent.
there's just so much crap over there. It's gonna make it hard to. He's got that giant air compressor and all the air tools and stuff. So.
Sandy. Sandy, I got a question. Sandy. Sandy, where's the box? This cat's got to go. Got a bit of a squeak. Well, there's your problem. All right, so we've packed up all of our tools and parts and stuff. We're actually going to head over to Bill's father-in-law's big pole barn garage. He's got plenty of room to work in instead of working in Bill's small garage. So I got explicit instructions from Bill's wife to be sure to go with him to the hospital to get stitches if and when he needs them as he works on his truck today. Gotta love that vote of confidence there. That's a pretty nice looking shop. Yeah, that'll give us more room up front. Yeah, you were needing brakes, dude.
Oh man, that explains the grinding noise.
Well, that's a one empty wheel well. I don't think you're going to be able to drive it home like this. You're going to have to get some things repaired on it.
Well, I changed my mind. Let's just sell
it. Yeah, you know what? You know what?
Cash only. One thing I like to do, what made taking the upper control arm off so much easier, was I use this Permatex anti-seize lubricant. What I like to do is use this anti-seize lubricant on all the thread bolts and stuff.
I meant lower the product so you can see it.
Oh, okay. Anti-seize lubricant. I like to use these on all the threads. Just realized your Camaro's getting a bath.
Yeah, we got ourselves a hillbilly car wash. It's the only time it gets washed. The harder it rains, the cleaner it gets. Okay, I'm coming down.
That's where I bought that jack, and I thought, $5, I'll buy it. Well, I jacked it up, and it held. The boy, as soon as you it started going down, maybe just some seal in it.
Yeah.
I think one of mine.
Yeah.
Chinese company. They give me about 20 of them.
Now no one's going to be able to hear you coming.
All right.
Oh, glad to be home. It's pretty grueling drive, about 2 hours. Pretty uneventful drive home. Appreciate Bill's family and in-laws feeding us and taking care of us, and as well as letting us use their barn and tools. So had a great day spending time with my brother. I don't get to see him as much as I'd like to, but when we do get together, I tell you what, we have a lot of fun. I laugh a lot whenever I'm around my brother. He's got a nice family. They're foster parents. They've got foster kids in their home right now, thus the need for the big Jolly Roger van. But yeah, it's a great day. I wish I could have spent a little more time goofing off, but that was a pretty big job getting that Ranger of his fixed up. And I'm glad that it's done. I'm glad he's got a nice truck that's running really well for him. It's kind of an interesting story about that Ranger, and one of these days I'm going to do a video. We'll kind of feature his Ranger and kind of show you what he did to restore it and get it up and running. It's got a kind of a interesting story. Well, that's going to do it for this video. It's a nice, long, grueling day. Got a lot of work done. Glad you guys came along with me. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. See you next time.